In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your promotional credit on Amazon. This information can be quite useful, especially if you often take advantage of Amazon's various promotional offers. Knowing how much credit you have and understanding its restrictions can help you make the most out of your Amazon shopping experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Amazon account using a web browser. This step is crucial, as viewing your promotional credit requires accessing a specific page linked to your account details. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Amazon website, and sign in using your account information. Make sure your login information is correct to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you will want to navigate to the page dedicated to your promotional credit or balance. There's a very handy link that can take you directly there. www.amazon.com/gp feature.html UTF-8 and DOCID 1000296831 and GCI's process 0WAD-GC. You might want to bookmark this link for future reference, as it can save you time the next time you're curious about your promotional balance. Remember, you must be logged into your account for this link to work properly. On this page, you should be able to clearly see your available promotional credits. Amazon often organizes these credits into categories, making it easier to understand how much credit you have and where you can use it. This breakdown might include digital credits, no-rush shipping credits, and other specific promotional credits that you've accumulated over time. Take a moment to review this information. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the types of promotions you have available, as they might expire or change in availability. Something important to keep in mind is that some of these promotional credits are only applicable to specific items or sellers. For example, a digital credit might only be usable on digital purchases, such as ebooks or movies, whereas a no-rush shipping credit might apply towards future shipping costs. Additionally, some credits may have expiration dates, so it's wise to plan your purchases accordingly to ensure you don't miss out on utilizing them. By staying informed about your promotional credits, you can strategically plan your shopping and take advantage of discounts and deals that Amazon offers. So, make it a habit of checking your promotional balance regularly, especially before making new purchases. And with that, you're now equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly check your promotional credit on Amazon, helping you save money and maximize your shopping benefits. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping.